Welcome. This episode, we're going to build part 6-12, connecting rod big end brasses for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's get building. Welcome, G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode, we're going to build part 6-12, connecting rod big end brasses for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Let's go File, New, Part MMGS. Let's go Right Plane Sketch. We're going to do let's do a square like this. Out like that. Circle. Now, circle's going to be... Okay, it's going to be, looks like 21. I've got to do some research, find where it was. Doesn't show it on there, but I found a part, the crankshaft part goes in there, so that was 21. That may have to be adjusted later. But right now, let's go smart. Oh, we are smart dimension still. That's going to be 19.5 plus 19.5. And that's going to be 19 plus 19. All right, that's done. So let's now go feature extrude. And that's going to be a width of, let's go back to blind, mid plane, 29. And go. There we go. All right, so now we want to go this top plane here, sketch. Normal 2 sketch, sorry. Now we want to do the square box again. Actually, no, we don't. We want to go to the rectangle box. We want one there, one there. Now this point and this point is going to go vertical. This point and this point will go vertical. Now let's just make sure if we grab this one, yeah. So we want center point, and center point. That's most line you grab. It's going to be vertical. There we go. So now if we grab one side, it's going same side. Perfect. Smart dimension. It's going to be... This is going to be 19.5 minus 16.5. So from here to here should be 16.5. It is. Could have just done that. I could have just done that simply that way. And then go this side. This point to there will be 5. And that adds up there. And that's going to be, again, 16.5. That's going to be feature, through cut, through, oh, another one, sorry. Through all, and done. Right, that's that part done. Now we need to go this side. So virtually, it's got like a flange all the way around there. We go normal 2, sketch. Now this makes it a little bit easier. I just got to click on that point there and there, because that's going to be the same there. And there to there. Oh, there. Now it's going to be 16 from the center. So from there to there. It's going to be 16. Oh, 16, thank you. And from the center point to that line will be 16 as well. There we go. Feature, extrude, through all, and done. And that's there. Now it's a small build on these. We'll go 1, Now I just want to do these edges. I don't want to do the face. That one there. Missed. Thank you. That one there. Yeah, signs you can get through there on that one. That's good. Can't quite find that one. No worries. Let's spin it around. There we go. That one there. And that one there. There is no flange in this. That's got to be square. Looks like there's one actually around here. I'm not going to do face because I don't want that one there done. There we go. Let's say that one lined up perfect. I thought, did I do that one? No, I did not. And that one there. And okay. That is good. I just realized what this hole for up top there is probably putting oil in. Oop. Yeah, my mouse is different, my trackball. Oop. I'm used to my thumb tracking the ball, my second finger left button, my right middle finger left button. Is now my thumb is left button, middle finger is trackball, and my right finger is the right button. So I'm still getting used to that. But let's go up here. Normal 2. Sketch. Or circle. We're going to put it in halfway. So this may get adjusted. Oh. I missed the center point. That's why. Just click on that and join. Make a sedent. There you go. Smart dimension. It's going to be 2. Now this could be changed, but I want to put this in here so I remember it's got to be done. Now we want that to go through first part, but not second part. So feature, extrude cut, it's going to be up to next works, which is there. And okay. There we go. That should be done. That's good. So yeah, that hole there will be drilled after assembly, which I guess there could be a slight variant, and you want to make sure they line up good. So that is part 6-12, connecting rod big end braces for the Clayton Undertype Steam Wagon. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Click like button, comment, subscribe. Do appreciate. Thank you for everyone's support. I'll see you next episode. Remember, keep designing.